Included with your vehicle purchase are extensive trial plans for HondaLink Connected by OnStar, a suite of services allowing you to connect with your vehicle remotely. This includes a plan that provides the internet connection your vehicle needs to use many Google built-in features. There are 2 ways to activate HondaLink Connected by OnStar. The easiest is during the My Garage delivery experience. Open the My Garage link emailed to you by your dealership. When you reach the HondaLink page, select Start Activation and complete the on-screen steps. Download the HondaLink app and log in using your My Garage credentials to start using remote features. After activation, you may be prompted to press the OnStar button to receive a welcome call and learn about your services. To manually enroll in HondaLink Connected by OnStar after delivery is already complete, initiate manual enrollment by pressing the OnStar button in your vehicle. An agent will email you OnStar-related terms and conditions to review and accept. Download the HondaLink app and sign in or create an account. The account must use the same email and postal code as provided to the agent. You will receive a HondaLink activation email after accepting the OnStar terms and conditions. Select the Activate Now link on your smartphone and follow the remaining steps in the app to complete activation. This includes creating a PIN for sending remote commands to your vehicle. The HondaLink dashboard gives you access to a wealth of vehicle information and features from your smartphone, such as charge status, charging station locator, remote commands, and more. Different connected features have different trial periods. Use the OnStar button to connect with an agent for more information on each plan.